Hi, in this tutorial, I will be going into more detail about the different ways we can report on data from our projects. In the previous episodes, we showed how to create report pages. For this tutorial, we will again be looking at this sample project. You can find all the available templates for report pages in the report workspace. At the top is the main toolbar. This is where you'll find the most important functions for reporting. Beneath the main toolbar is the Report Template Explorer. This explorer contains all the default and custom report templates for the current skin. If you click on a template of interest, a preview will be displayed. Below this is the Report Page Explorer, which contains all the report pages you've created so far, along with a thumbnail of their contents. You can expand the thumbnail by holding Control and using the scroll wheel. You can also change the order of report pages by dragging and dropping them with the left mouse button. In the middle of the display is the preview of the report pages. At the bottom, there is another toolbar with additional reporting tools. If you expand the Properties tab on the right side, you'll see the available properties for each selected report page. With the first function button on the main toolbar, Restore 3D View from a Report Page, you can open the 3D view from the content of the currently selected report page. The software will automatically switch back to the inspection workspace to display the content of the report page. You can also left-click and drag and drop a report page from the Overview Explorer into the 3D view in the inspection workspace to view its contents. If you have changed the content of the 3D view, such as in this case, and you want to override the current report page view, you can use the second function on the main toolbar, Overwrite Report Page. The Reconfigure Report Page function allows you to change the parameters of the report pages without restoring and overwriting them. For instance, the current report page was created using a 3-point alignment and a maximum legend scale of 12 millimeters. In the current 3D view, a different alignment is active, a local best fit to CAD, and the legend scaling is also different with a maximum of 8 millimeters. If you switch the alignment and legend from current 3D view, the software will automatically update the report page with these new parameters. This function is very useful if you need to update multiple report pages simultaneously. The Project Keywords function allows you to update different keywords for each project. For example, you can update keywords on the title page of the report, such as the inspector's name, the date of testing, or the department. When you finish creating your report pages, you can export the entire report as a PDF. This PDF can also contain videos. There are more options to export individual report pages by right-clicking on a report and going to Export Report Page. You can also go to File, Export, Report to see more options for exporting reports. If you would like to present your report without having to export the report pages, simply click on the Screen Presentation function button. It will display all report pages in full screen and allow you to easily navigate through them. You can also change the speed of the videos. Click on the Exit Presentation Mode button to go back to the report workspace. You can also create a report page from a template by left-clicking on the template and dragging and dropping it into the Report Page Explorer. You can also change the template of an existing report page or change its format after it's created. Now it's your turn. Practice the steps in this tutorial by opening GOM Correlate and selecting the 3D project GOM Testing Object component located in the sample data icon. Open the Report Workspace. Familiarize yourself with the Report Workspace layout, including the main toolbar, Report Template Explorer, Report Page Explorer, Lower Toolbar, and Properties tab. Now, edit the pre-made Major Strain and Force report page. Use the Restore 3D View from Report Page tool to open the 3D view in the Inspection workspace. Next, change the alignment and legend scaling. Use the Overwrite Report Page tool in the Report workspace to update the 3D view on the report page with your new alignment and scaling. Practice the same workflow, instead now using the Reconfigure Report Page tool and the pre-made Displacement report page. Next, edit the pre-made GOM Testing Object component report page by using the Define Project Keywords tool to change the inspector name, the date, and location. Edit the pre-made Major Strain of Point and Selection report page by using your own 3D view, point inspection, and section line. Utilize the functions in the main toolbar as needed. Now create your own report page for any inspection you desire. Create the report page by dragging and dropping it from the Report Template Explorer into a position in the Report Page Explorer. Practice viewing all of the report pages using the presentation mode. Finally, export the report pages either individually as images or videos, or together as a PDF. This was the last video of the GOM Correlate video tutorial series from Trillion Quality Systems. Feel free to visit trillion.com for more information about GOM Correlate. Thank you for your time and have a great day.